Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman. Warning for Northeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Hennessey County in central Oklahoma, Northwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Southeastern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennessey, Marshall, Douglas, Lovell, and Hayward. Injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennessey, Marshall, Douglas, Lovell, and Hayward. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe central Blaine counties until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm.
From a document from the Department of Housing.